Hello, today our topic is to cook a banana bread with chocolate. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. So you have cooked bananas, about 3 bananas with lemon juice, just a little lemon juice, cinnamon and a little butter. Okay? So you need 3 eggs. You put your eggs in your bowl. 1 and 2 and 3 eggs, and you add sugar, 100 grams of caster sugar. Okay, you put with your eggs, and you beat eggs and sugar until creamy. A few minutes. Okay. Then you add flour, wheat flour. About you need about 150 grams of flour, and you add it in your mixture, and you up. You need 1 packet of baking powder, just 1, and you whisk a little more, a few seconds, in order to add your baking powder into the other ingredients. Look. Now you need butter, semi-salt butter if you want, it's better. And you add
how many grams?
How many grams of butter? About 170 grams, okay? And it's melted butter, sorry. And you add in your cake, like that. And up. You can add, if you want, some vanilla extract, sugar, if you want. And I said that it was a banana bread, so you need bananas, about 3 bananas. With I said that with cinnamon and lemon juice and butter. And some chocolate chips, about 2 tablespoons. Yeah. And it's better to mix them with a spoon because it's better with a spoon. Up, turn. Yeah. Yeah, and vanilla extract, and it's finished. Zut. And you put it in your plate with butter and a little flour. Oops. It's quite finished. And so you have preheat your oven to 180 degrees, and you let it about 45 minutes in the oven.